The first time that you log into Google, the first time you log into YouTube, especially if you aren't using Google Chrome, you might not see a My Channel button on the left. Instead, you're going to see a Sign In button on the right. Go ahead and click that, and then enter your lphs.org email and password. And when you do that, you should then see this YouTube page, which is the standard YouTube home screen with then an added button on the side saying My Channel. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you're going to manage all of your stuff on Google or on YouTube. You can add channel art if you want to make this fun. You can see all of your uploads. You can see all of your playlists. And this is really important, to create playlists so your students can see all of the videos organized based on the class that they're taking. And it makes it really easy. All my students know, they just go onto YouTube and type my name, and they're going to get this channel and see all of these public uploaded playlists. Now, one of the first things I do in YouTube actually is to click on this little sprocket icon, and I actually make all of my liked videos private, all my subscriptions private, and all my saved playlists private. I do this because if I end up liking some video, like a Garth Brooks video or something, whatever, that I click that I like it, I don't want any of my students to see any of that stuff, so I just automatically make all of that private. And that's really important to me because I want to separate myself from what I share with my students. Now, some people might have two YouTube accounts, a personal one and an lphs.org one, and that works for them. I just like to be able to log on and set public for the stuff I want my students to see and private for everything else, and I'm pretty good with that. Now, what most people don't see is this Video Manager button up here. This is where you want to click to set public or privacy on each of the videos that you create. You can click here, and it will give you the editing panel for the specific video. If I come down here to public and I list it as private, it will change the privacy settings on it, and I hit Save Changes, and that's done. You can change descriptions of videos. It even gives you some enhancements and audio things that you can do with this, but I usually do all of that from my phone and I don't have to worry about it. Immediately after doing that, what I want you to see is that's the basic setting for videos. Now I'm clicking here to see again all of my videos, and you can see all of them. Now, this is where you go for playlists, and this is really important. I organize everything that I do in YouTube according to playlists, and some of them are private if it's my personal things that, like, I like some photo stuff and I'm looking at that for personal enhancement of learning about and understanding photography. I don't necessarily need to know or let my students know all the photography videos that I'm looking at, so I keep that locked and private. But all of my classes are listed, and those are public playlists. I go over to here to create a new playlist. It's very straightforward. You create a playlist, you set the public or private. I'm going to actually set this to private right now. I don't want anybody to see a test playlist on my channel. And then you can add videos. I click on this, and again, I go to my YouTube videos, and I can add any video that I want. I'll grab that test video that I made earlier. I'll add that, and now the test video is in there, and it's on my playlist screen. That's it.